Hello Hurricane dealers. My name is Lori Saporsky and I am the Strategic Sourcing Manager for Hurricane and Godfrey Marine.
And I'm Philip Muscat, Senior Industrial Designer for Hurricane.
What we're going to walk you through right now for our virtual dealer meeting is the 2021 SunDeck 2400 OB.
Yeah, and let me bring you through the new interior here. What we've done is completely redesigned the furniture, gave it a completely different look, more dynamic. Also completely revamped the vinyls on this boat. So you can see it's featured in the ice gray, the Oasis ice gray interior. We also completely redesigned or developed a new quilting pattern. And right now we're calling it the Hurricane Arrowhead. Different accent colors here, and this boat has the Monaco blue color accent. Brand new helm chairs here, completely redesigned. This boat has the flip-up helm seats, both for co-captain and captain chairs. If you take a look over here, we have a new countertop, and this countertop will be standard when you order a white interior or a gray interior. We do have a matching tan countertop that will be available when you order your Oasis sandstone interior. So up in the bow, you can see it's completely redesigned. We actually have different levels of foam to provide a nice dynamic look of the interior. Again, you can see the quilting running through here. Up front, we have plenty of storage. They are self-draining. And if you look here, we have spots for stainless steel rods that hold the sun filler cushions. So on this boat, what we did was match the Oasis ice gray interior to the Panama ice gray flooring. Brand new flooring for this year.
This does come with the bifold door, and we have a full head. This one has the electric pump available for the flush out. New for the 2021 Hurricanes, we have a new color on the dash, as well as new gauges that we're very excited about. Our designers worked to get something that was not only easy to read and functional, but that had some edge and some fun to the design. One of the other things that I just love about this boat, besides I just think the interior flows really well, I think that our designers did a great job this year, but I love the number of cup holders. When you're out on the water, you know as well with your boaters that that's one of the functions that's just nice to have plenty of.
So taking a deeper look into the electronics here, we have the RA55 Fusion audio system. This stereo head unit features Bluetooth, AM, FM, and aux input. Up top here we have the Simrad Go 5 touchscreen. It gives you all your graph information that you could want on the water. Also for this year, what we've done is change the lighting up from blue to red. We wanted to do this to give you better visibility on your gauges, and we feel like it's a great improvement for night boating. We have 4 stereos, again Fusion audio. We have the black bezels on them. It's a great looking package with the new interior.
Featured on this model then is our silver framed windshield. For this model though, you can also have black framed, or we have the stainless steel cap available. And then we have the standard stainless steel bimini on this boat, but don't forget you can also have a wakeboard tower.
So focusing on the rear of the boat, we have the stainless steel ladder back here. We also have the optional telescoping ski tow bar. While we're back here, I'd like to talk about the horsepower rating. We actually have a 300 max horsepower rating on this boat, which is plenty to drive you through the water. The boat dry weight is 3,735 pounds. The overall length of this boat is 24 feet, and the beam is 8.5.
Thank you again for joining us on our tour of the Hurricane SunDeck 2400 OB. We hope to see you on the water.